Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to manage Ultimate Team Squad Builder. In the beginning let's go to Ultimate Team and next go to Squad. Press L3 and select Squad Builder. Here select quality of the player, next you can select country and region and league. Next select formation, trade status, enable or disable concept players, replaceable players, and then ignore position. Next you can change acquisition date for Squad Builder and sort by. In the end you can adjust minimum and maximum overall. Press triangle to build squad. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.